Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing rice keratin treatment that will smoothen and straighten the hair very effectively. Many beauty parlors offer keratin treatments, but usually they are formaldehyde-based treatments. And though some keratin products promise that they are free of formaldehyde, they contain chemicals that release formaldehyde when mixed with water. So technically, formaldehyde is the base ingredient for those treatments too. Formaldehyde is a colorless, strong-smelling gas that causes respiratory problems when inhaled or when absorbed through the skin. Doing formaldehyde-based treatments once in a while will not cause any problems, but frequent usage increases health risk. Instead of using chemical-based keratin treatments, try this natural rice-based keratin treatment. The base for this treatment is cooked rice. Rice is wonderful for smoothing out even the most frizzy and dry hair. This treatment is made with commonly available kitchen ingredients and is very cost effective. Unlike chemical-based keratin treatments, this treatment will not do any harm and can be used whenever you like. In my personal opinion, this is a wonder treatment that leaves the hair soft and shiny. Follow the recipe exactly like given to get the best results. Cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and wash well to remove the slimy green juice. The green slimy juice causes skin allergy, so please take your time to wash it off properly before using. Now cut the thorns on both sides of the leaf, cut in half, and scoop out the gel alone onto a cup. To make coconut milk, take 1/8 cup of freshly grated coconut in a cup. Add very little water to it so as to get thick coconut milk. Now grind this in a mixer coarsely. Once ground, take it in a strainer and press with a spoon to extract the coconut milk completely. The coconut milk should be thick and creamy like this. For the treatment, take heaped 1/4 cup of boiled rice in a cup. Add in 3 tablespoons of the prepared thick coconut milk. Add in 1 egg white to it. Add in a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil too. Add in the inner gel of 1 small aloe vera leaf. Now grind this mixture to a very smooth paste. The mixture should be smooth and free of any lumps, so make sure to patiently grind it till you get a smooth paste. To use, take the paste and apply it all over the hair. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This is my hair after using the treatment. I just used only shampoo to wash it off and did not condition my hair so as to show you how effective the treatment is. It made my hair soft, shiny and very manageable. When I first tried this treatment, I was pleasantly surprised to see how smooth, soft and shiny it left my hair. And I started using it regularly. This treatment can be used for all age groups and can be used for kids too. You can make slight alterations to the recipe if you like, but I found the best results with the recipe I've given. Use this recipe weekly once to have straight, silky, smooth, soft hair. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.